Alright guys, so on this video we are going to be talking about the Warden protocol airdrop. Alright, so this airdrop we introduced it about 2 days ago, and right now there have been a lot of updates which you need to take care of right now immediately after watching this video. So the whole thing is very simple. Basically we are going to be talking about how you can be able to farm this airdrop properly and how you can be able to claim the OG role. Alright, so the OG role is very important because it actually puts you in a position whereby you are considered first, and it also puts you in a position where you tend to get all the general benefit that will be coming from this airdrop. So don't get it twisted, this is actually a new airdrop and the TGE has been confirmed, the airdrop has been confirmed. All we need to do right now is to simply take action immediately after watching this video so that you can be able to be among the beneficiaries of this airdrop. Alright, so lately a lot of airdrop has been paying up from Humanity Protocol to Magic Newton to Sahara AI to Moonville airdrop, and a lot of them paid up within this week that we are on right now. And this is the chance for you to actually key into this one so that you will also be among the persons that are going to be benefiting from this as well. So this is also a project that you can yap about, and we are going to be talking about the side of the yapping maybe later on a separate video or something. A quick introduction to anyone of you who are actually hearing about this project for the first time. Before you can be able to start this project, you are going to be required to insert an invite code. It is still at its primary freeze, and invite code is somehow mandatory before you can be able to gain access into this website. To start with, let me see if I can be able to show you guys my invite code right here. So when I click over here right now, you can see that this is of course my invite code right here. You can see 1CD73. Once you insert this as your invite code, immediately you are going to be brought in right here, and once you are in, you are going to be required to create something like token. This is like you creating a token, and once you create this token, the more pump that you earn, I'm going to be showing you how you can get to earn pump. The more pump that you earn, the more the value of this your token actually increases. It is not hard. You are only required to insert a name. Just once you insert a name, your own token is going to be created right here right now. And also it is important for you to know that this is actually a info5 project, and on this project you basically chat with the AI. A kind of you chat and you see your chat being considered into actions. Alright, so basically we are going to be talking about them right now. Alright, so to start with, assuming that you have just gained access right now and you just created the name of your own coin right now, and the first thing you need to do is to come over here that we have earn, and over here that we have earn, you are required to complete some tasks. Some tasks are actually coming up there, but they are going to be in the future. So this is the task that we have right now. They are very simple. Each day that you log into the app, automatically you are going to be given one pump. All right, and apart from that, you can also swap token, and you also chat with the AI. So your first chat with the AI every single day earn you 5 star, and of course if you make any swap via the chat, you earn 10 stars. So we are going to be trying the swap function, because if you swap, we have also chat with the AI. So I will click on it right now, and once you click on it, you are going to be brought to this section of the AI chats, and right here you are required to chat with the AI. For example, right now to chat, I will say maybe something like swap 0.005 soul to bonk. Bonk is a Solana coin, a Solana token. So we chat with the AI right now. So of course you can see we just get our reward for the first chat right now, and of course right here from this prompt you can see they are now asking us if we want to proceed with swapping our 0.005 soul for bonk. So I will go ahead and type in proceed. Okay, proceed. Then I will send the message, and right now you can see we just earned our second reward for chatting with the AI. Okay, so over here right now, initially I have got around 0.01 soul. Right now I've swapped a half of it. So over here right now you can see your current balance is as follow: 0.01 soul, bonk 0. And right now you can see, since you want to swap 0.05 soul, you have enough soul for the swap. However, please note that you currently do not have any bonk token in your wallet. Would you like to proceed with the swap? For yes, you can go ahead and proceed. I will click on proceed again. I have to give it a prompt to proceed. Okay, and right now guys, this is how you actually swap your token. So finally, we are now getting our reward for the swapping, and let's see what we're gonna have right here. Okay, you can see we are now chatting with them or with the AI system, and right now the AI is responding to us very fast. Okay, so right now you can see the swap is now successful. Let's go ahead and check our wallet. I will click on my wallet right now. You can see I have only sold right here. Okay, so right now let me go ahead and refresh this right now to see what I'm gonna have right here. Just pay close attention, and right now guys, you can see I now have bonk token right here on my inbuilt wallet right here. So over here on this inbuilt wallet, you are going to be required to you need to kind of have something right here, certain amounts of Solana, so that you can use it to make any interaction. So coming back right here to end, you can see that all these are up and running right now. You can see we have gotten all our points, but it's taking time to load up right now. Just give it a little time to open up completely. Okay, so coming over here right now, you can see we have gotten our token for the swapping, but these ones are supposed to be updated as well, showing this green tick, showing that we have completed it, but it is not actually appearing right here. This could be just normal website lagging, or maybe the website is buggy. Of course, this is testnet, so something like this is very normal. So from here right now, you can see I'm on my level right here. I'm on the DeFi deity level. So when I click on it right now, you can see this is my current level. We have a lots of level right here. And of course, on this one, I'm on the highest level, but there are more to this, just that they are not showing up right here. There are much more to this, and the higher your level, the higher the booster you actually have on your own account. So let's go back right now. So coming back right here, how do you actually get your OG role? So to be able to get your OG role, it is quite very simple. So all you need to do is simply come over here to the galaxy quest, where you need to complete some few quests right here, and the reward you're going to be getting is the OG role. And for you to get the OG role, you need to be on their Discord. So you go ahead and use the link. All the link are going to be right there on the video description box. So you first of all give them a follow, and when you give them a follow like this, you have two tasks to complete right here. The first one is Warden H.K.R, and the second one is early AI Doctor. So we click on this first one right now, and clicking on this right now, we are required to complete some very few social tasks right here. For example, having the early defender role on the Warden Protocol Discord server, and getting to complete some few simple step tasks right here. So I'll be completing all of them immediately. Okay, right now, immediately I have completed all the given tasks, so I'll go ahead and click on claim one role. Okay, so now guys, you can see you are going to be asked to connect your Solana address right here. So you go ahead and click on this Solana address right now. So you are going to be taken to this section where you need to actually set it up, and over here right now, you need to go ahead and click on wallets. Okay, you click on wallets right now. And once you are brought right here, you need to select your Solana wallet right here. You click on it. And over right now, a list of available wallets are going to be shown. So you click on Phantom Wallet, so you can, connect your Phantom Wallet as well. So you can still go ahead and proceed with your H.K.R Solana wallet, but let's go with Phantom Wallet. So you click on it right now, popping up your Phantom Wallet right now. You need to unlock it before you can then connect. Okay, and immediately you go ahead and click on connect. So right now guys, your Solana wallet should be connected right now, and once that is done, you come back right here, then you click on claim one role, and immediately you can see we have a message right now saying approve. We go ahead and approve it, and this is simply how you can be able to claim this first role on Discord. Okay, so as you can see right now, it is still loading, and right now immediately we have now claimed this role right now. So we have to go back like this, and of course coming back right now, we have another task to complete right here, which is the H.K.R. all right, the Warden H.K.R. So you can go ahead and take your time to do the whole thing. So over here, you guys can see that 10% is actually available for this. So we also have the Zilly quest. Okay, so we have the Zilly quest where you need to come over here and complete the role, the task as well. So there, it seems to be many tasks right here, to be honest, but you can still complete all of them in a matter of minutes, because all these are just social tasks. You are only required to like or maybe comment something like that. Okay, so also we have the guild task. Okay, so over here on guild, you are required to meet some criteria before you can be able to join it. So go ahead and complete all this, and over here you can see that more than 23,000 persons has actually completed this task, and of course right here you earn 10 para pumps for each task that you actually complete. We have the read me before starting, all this blah blah blah. You can go ahead and complete as many of them as you can. All right, so this is all you need to know right now concerning the Warden protocol Airdrop. Remember, there may seem to be many tasks right here, but all these are the things that are going to be putting you in place to actually end this Airdrop. All right, so it may seem many, but you need to just create time and go through all of them, and you are just good to go like that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. If you encounter any problem, do let me know right there on the comment section, and I'll be there to help you resolve it immediately. Thank you, and I will talk to you on the next video dropping very soon.